Hello everyone, this is Nivesh Agrari welcoming you all to the holy land of Lord Buddha. I am very delighted to share our vibrant and beautiful campus of Autonomous State Medical College, Siddharthnagar. Join us our this campus tour video to have a glimpse of our academic block, library, gym, girls and boys hostel, hospital, our well-known fest Ikaya, swimming pool, fee structure and connectivity of our college.
As you can see right behind us, this is the academic building of our medical college. Our 6-story academic building is designed to provide a conducive learning environment for the students.
From assistant professors all the way to professors, our faculty members are some of the best mentors in their respective fields. With years of experience, they are well-versed, well-qualified and competent guides for the students.
Our college comprises of total 3 lecture theatres, out of which 2 are located in this academic block and 1 is located in our newly constructed hospital building, which is reserved for the clinical postings. Abiding by the 75% norm of the NMC, a strict attendance policy is followed by our medical college.
The entire academic building is fully air-conditioned and well-ventilated. The demonstration rooms of every department provide a safe and quiet, comfortable space for students to collaborate with their peers.
Every department is well-equipped with the advanced technology and systems.
Good morning everyone, it's 6 AM in the morning and today we are here just beside our college and you can see there is a large huge Olympic sized swimming pool and just beside it is a small mini swimming pool which is some 4th to 5th depth and you can see the view is so beautiful and yeah, special allowances are given for the students of medical college. It's not situated inside a college but definitely you will be benefited from it. And yes, national levels competitions are held in the month of July and August. So if you are passionate about swimming, so definitely this college is for you. Thank you.
It's a moment of real pride to talk about one of the most memorable events our college has ever hosted, Ikaya. Ikaya wasn't just a normal fest, but a celebration of talent, togetherness and teamwork. What made it more special was how it became the center of attraction among all the medical colleges of our region. The enthusiasm, the planning, the participation made it a truly next level. From start to finish, every moment of Ikaya reflected the hard work and passion of the organizing team. It was an inter-college fest with an overwhelming response, welcoming 8 to 10 members of different colleges, 8 to 10 teams from different colleges. It was just not in numbers, but the enthusiasm every college brought on the table. The RM band concert had the crowd singing, dancing and vibing together under the open sky. The night didn't just end there. We had a high-energy DJ night that lit up the campus, followed by a fashion walk showcasing style and confidence. Ikaya also featured a wide range of sports and cultural events, from intense matches on field to beautiful performances on stage. It gave students a chance to not just compete, but to connect, learn and grow. Let's carry forward this legacy with more excitement, unity and drive, because Ikaya is just not a fest, it's a feeling.
अब हम अपने कॉलेज के मेन अट्रैक्शन पे, जो कि है बॉयज जिम, और हमारे यहाँ इस जिम में कई तरह की मशीनें हैं स्पेसिफिक बॉडी पार्ट्स के लिए, जैसे कि बाइसेप के लिए बात करें तो प्रीचर कर्ल, बैक के लिए बात करें तो लैट पुल डाउन, लेग के लिए बात करें तो लेग एक्सटेंशन, और इसमें एक खास सेक्शन जो कि सिर्फ डेडलिफ्ट को डेडिकेटेड है, वो एक पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म बना हुआ है। तो आमतौर पर बाहर के जिमों में भी ये कम देखने को मिलता है। अगर हम कार्डियो सेक्शन की तरफ चले तो हमारे पास है स्टेयर मास्टर और ट्रेडमिल, जो कि हमारी फैट लॉस जर्नी में और मेटाबॉलिज्म को बूस्ट करने में बहुत कारगर साबित होगा। एंड वी हैव सेपरेट जिम फॉर बोथ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स।
वेलकम टू आवर कॉलेज जिम. Now we are giving you a tour of one of the most exciting and energetic spots of our college gym. Whether you are looking for breaker squat or build strength or just stay active between studies, we got everything you need. Our gym is equipped with state-of-the-art machine and equipment, from full range of cardio like treadmill, bikes, to strength training machines like you can see dumbbells and squat racks. We got everything for every fitness level. We got dedicated area for both boys and girls and a common area. As you know, in medical college we more work on brains, so this is the best spot to work on our muscles too. And in our college, this is the best spot where everybody meet and chill here. So if you are looking to build muscles and build brain together, so you can come to our college.
Hello guys, so we are standing in front of our new hospital building. So I would like to tell you about some characteristic features of this hospital. So it includes 300 bedded, highly ventilated rooms, 3 OPDs of Department Ortho, Surgery and Medicine. Also, we are having 3 OTs with their multiple recovery ward rooms, 2 oxygen plants recently has planted And most peculiar feature of this hospital is that we are having 100-bedded rent basera for the patient's attendant comfort.
Hey everyone, so let me take you all to our district hospital, which is attached to our medical college. You guys will be benefited to know that this is present just in front of our academic block. Behind me is our old OPD, which consists of OPDs of ENT, Derma, Psychiatry, Chest and Pulmonary, and Ophtha. It has daily patient outflow of 1500 to 2000 approx. It has bed of approx 500 capacities with well-experienced doctors. This building also contains NICU, PICU, and an RC for newborns. And according to the recent survey, our college has secured 8th position all over the state for the treatment and recovery of newborn. And our clinical posting are going to be held in this building from second year onwards, which helps to make our clinical exposure very strong by providing a varieties of cases. Thank you.
At the 6th floor of our new hospital, where there are 3 OTs, pre and post surgical wards, skill labs, demo rooms and lecture halls. Our college have separate 100-bedded MCH building for gynae and pediatric departments. Our college is gifted with new trauma center, which is full with new and modern technologies. Our emergency ward function at its high frequencies with a special team of doctors, JRs, SRs and staff nurses. In near future, we have new and advanced ICU, CCU, SDU units in the same campus as it is under construction.
Myself Mayank Gupta of MBBS Batch 2022. जैसा कि कैंपस टूर की बात हो रही है, तो स्पोर्ट फैसिलिटी की भी बात होगी। इस समय हम खड़े हैं सिद्धार्थ नगर के डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टेडियम में, जो कि हमारे कॉलेज के ठीक बगल है। पीछे आप कॉलेज देख सकते हैं। और इस स्टेडियम में हमारे मेगा स्पोर्ट इवेंट जैसे कि आपका क्रिकेट हुआ, फुटबॉल, एथलेटिक्स, स्विमिंग और बैडमिंटन होता है। बगल में हमारा स्विमिंग पूल है और इस बगल बैडमिंटन कोर्ट है। क्रिकेट की बात करें तो यहाँ पे हमारे फेस्ट के क्रिकेट के सारे इवेंट, इसके अलावा MPL हमने अभी रिसेंट में ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था, जो इंट्रा कॉलेज क्रिकेट लीग थी। उसके अलावा यहाँ पे फुटबॉल हम ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं, बाहर की टीमें आती हैं और इंट्रा कॉलेज भी होता है। बाकी आप यहाँ पे घूमने के लिए, रनिंग के लिए, जॉगिंग के लिए या टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए किसी भी टाइम आ सकते हैं।
Hi everyone, our college MPTMC Siddharth Nagar offers a wide range of sports amenities to cater both casual players and athletes. For those who enjoy indoor games, we have indoor facilities for carom, chess and table tennis. We also have well-maintained Rani Lakshmibai Sports Arena for cricket, futsal, volleyball and kabaddi. Our college has also organized inter and intra-college tournaments and sports meets to promote and provide students an opportunity to showcase their talents and to build team spirit. So whether you are training or playing it as a hobby, this is where you can find everything. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Our fully air-conditioned central library is a hub of knowledge with the vast collection of the medical textbook, journals and digital resources. Wi-Fi facility ensure that students get the access to the wealth of information for their studies and researches. Apart from the 3 sufficient reading hall in the central library, there are separate library for the JRs and digital library, and every department have their own library. The timing of the library from the 9 AM in the morning to the 10 PM at the night. It may extend during the examination times. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Manas Gupta of MBBS Batch 2022. Today I am here in this series to tell you about the boys hostel facility in our college. तो बॉयज हॉस्टल में जो हमारे बॉयज हैं उनको अभी 3 बिल्डिंग्स में अकोमोडेट किया गया है। प्राइमरी तो हमारा ये बॉयज हॉस्टल जो सबसे बड़ा है। इसके अलावा जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं वो इंटर्न हॉस्टल में है और जूनियर्स के लिए टाइप 3 है। टाइप 3 बिल्डिंग में जूनियर्स को इसलिए रखा जाता है ताकि जो नॉर्म्स है रैंकिंग के, इस हिसाब से उनको अलग रखा गया है। और इसके अलावा हम बताएं कि आपको जो हमारा कॉमन रूम है, कॉमन रूम वेल इक्विप्ड है, उसमें एयर कंडीशनिंग है, टीवी है और फ्रिज है एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए। इसके अलावा हर फ्लोर पे आपकी सेपरेट छत दी गई है, आप ताकि जाके हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ चिल आउट कर सकें। और लिफ्ट फैसिलिटी भी है आपको 4th फ्लोर तक जाने के लिए, 2 लिफ्ट्स हैं। इसके अलावा हर फ्लोर पर मैं बताना चाहूँगा आपको कि वॉशिंग मशीन है ताकि आप अपने कपड़े उसमें धुल सकें और कोई एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्ज नहीं है। इसके अलावा ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर हमारी मेस है जिसमें आप जाके अपना स्नैक्स और खाना पीना कर सकते हैं। और हर एक रूम में आपको मैं बता दूं कि 2 अलमारी, 2 टेबल, 2 चेयर, 2 बेड और 2 मैट्रेस मिली हैं। रूम सारे डबल सीटर है और इंटर्नशिप में आपको सिंगल सीटर रूम मिलेगा। रूम में पहले से लाइट और पंखा लगा हुआ है और आप चाहें तो कूलर भी रख सकते हैं। रूम वेल स्पेशियस है और वेल वेंटिलेटेड है।
You have already seen about the boys hostel, so now I will tell you about the girls hostel. In this hostel, 3 batch stays, first year, second year and third year, whereas 21 batch के मैम लोग they stay in a different building where they have been allotted with a single seater room with attached balcony. And in this hostel, you will have double seater room in which you will get 2 beds, 2 mattress, 2 table, 2 chair plus lights plus fan. And during summer you may use cooler without any extra payment. And in each floor we have a water cooler plus washing machine, and also we have a big common room in which AC installed hai plus TV hai, and also induction space where you can cook whatever you want while watching your favorite movie. And also we have a very tight security, नीचे guard आंटी लोग बैठे रहते हैं. And अभी तो biometric system is also installed, and after 10 PM girls are not allowed to go outside. And about the fee structure, it will discuss in the fee section. Thank you.
Currently we are in the mess which provides you the best quality food in affordable pay. The menu which is served according to the weekly plan menu, which is verified by our student cell. In this we are provided with breakfast, lunch, evening snack and dinner. The capacity of this menu is about 400 to 500. We have two options for the payment method. First, we can be provided with monthly basis in which we have to pay 4,000 rupees per month. And the second, we have to pay 55 rupees per meal. And the same thing applies for girls' mess too.
Hello everyone. So we are standing in our MPH, that is Multipurpose Hall Auditorium. Here we have all the extracurricular activities. For example, we had our 24 batch freshers here. We celebrate programs like Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishna Janmashtami, Republic Day, Independence Day. We also have government meetings here. It has a capacity of 400 seats. It is fully soundproof. We also have separated green rooms which are fully air conditioned with attached washrooms. Thank you.
Ragging is not just a word, it's a crime. It was word of our late professor, Dr. Ved Prakash sir.
We are the most junior batch of our college, and we are going to tell you about the ragging scene.
Our college is ragging free and lashed with cameras in campus and hostels.
We have to follow our medical ethics, and we have to wish our faculties and seniors. Definitely, we are proved to be good seniors by your AdCom. A healthy interaction can make your medical life even more beautiful.
If you have any problem, our college also have anti-ragging committee.
Dear juniors, we will help to make your medical life even more beautiful. You can see our anti-ragging video.
The link is in description.
Music has the power of healing. It can take people out of themselves for a few hours. ये कहा था एक बहुत बड़े संगीतकार एल्टन जॉन ने. हम भी एक चिकित्सा संस्थान में लोगों को ठीक करने के अलावा यहाँ पे हमारे पास और भी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि उनको कैसे ठीक रखें, और संगीत एक बहुत बड़ा माध्यम है इस चीज़ का. उसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए MPTMC में हमारा म्यूजिक क्लब है RO, जिसमें हम सभी तरीके के संगीत को बढ़ावा देते हैं. हाँ, हम फोक से लेके फ्यूजन सब कुछ गाते हैं. हमारे क्लब की स्थापना 2021 बैच के साथ हुई थी, और तब से अब तक काफ़ी लोग और काफ़ी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं. जो भी टैलेंट्स हैं, जिन्हें गिटार बजाना आता है, जिन्हें कीबोर्ड बजाना चाहते हैं और जो अपना टैलेंट एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मौके हैं. सभी को मौका मिलेगा. सभी तरीके के इंस्ट्रूमेंट जैसे कीबोर्ड, गिटार, ड्रम सेट और तबला, फ्लूट, ये सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. तो जिसको भी अपना टैलेंट एक्सप्लोर करना है वो अच्छे से यहाँ पे कर सकता है.
Right now I am in college cafeteria, and it is not just a place to eat food. It is a place where we connect with our batchmates and with staff and faculties. Our cafeteria offers a variety of food items, and everyone enjoy their meals in the cafeteria.
Hi, our college is located in Civil Line Siddharth Nagar near Telephone Exchange Colony, just in front of District Hospital. Our college is situated in main city, so you can easily get your daily basis need in our college. You can get gym, branded showroom, cinema hall and malls, etc. The Siddharth Nagar railway station and bus station are 2.5 km away from our college. There is a direct train services from Delhi, Meerut, Kanpur, Aligarh. Nepal border is 20 km away from our college, so you may plan your international trip anytime with your friends. You may visit Lumbini, Pokhara, Kathmandu, Nagarkot and Palpa, etc. Siddharth Nagar itself has much to explore, like Kapilvastu, museum, dam, and major cities from Siddharth Nagar is Gorakhpur, so you may plan your weekend with your friends by visiting there.
Hi everyone, at MPTMC Siddharth Nagar, our security is a top priority. We are very proud to have a dedicated security team that operates 24/7 to help ensure our campus remains safe and secure. We are always ready to act in case of any emergency situation. Our campus is located in Civil Line area just adjacent to police line and district magistrate's residence, and security cameras are also installed at key locations including hostels, academic buildings, parking areas and entrances. There is also strict timings of entry in girls hostel, that is after 10 PM no entry is allowed. In this series we are going to talk about the fee structure of our college, that is ASMC Siddharth Nagar. And so ASMC Siddharth Nagar right now is having 3 courses, MBBS course, OT technician course and MDR courses, which is running right now. And fee structure of all the ASMCs and GMCs are almost same. And for first year students, especially for UR category, it is 36,000 tuition fees, 4,800 hostel fees and 13,500 examination fees per year. Whereas for other students, it is 27,000 tuition fees and the rest are almost
Rest are same. And if we talk about scholarship programs and educational loans, so the UP government is also providing all these facilities for the students who are fulfilling the eligibility criteria. And for more information, you can visit our official website. Thank you.
Hope you have enjoyed our campus tour video and supposed to getting live at the Madhuvans. Let me brief our college. Our college is located in the main city. Hospital is just in front of our academic block. Swimming pool and gym facilities available in our college. And Nepal can be your first international trip. So we are excited to welcome you all in our campus. Join us and make your future brighter. If you have any queries regarding our campus, you can drop your comment in the comment box or directly DM me on my Instagram mentioned in the description box.